Hello everyone, I am the admin of Thesis Helper channel, and it's award-winning PhD dissertation of the Walton University regarding medical field, an exploration of the lived experiences of individuals living with HIV/AIDS in rural Uganda. So that's the PhD dissertation, award-winning dissertation, and you can get idea. That's the title pages of the Walton University and award-winning PhD dissertation. So you can get idea how the PhD scholar have written this thesis. Abstract. Our university have different formats of initial pages, so you can get idea. You must follow your university format. That's the abstract. Some university have keywords, but there is no keywords, so you must follow your university format of PhD dissertation. That's a dedication page. There's the acknowledgement page. You can get idea. Table of contents. Here you can see every chapter is precisely structured. Chapter 1, you can look introduction to the study. Chapter 2, literature review. Every heading is properly numbered, and you can check how the PhD scholar structure the thesis. The more you read, the more you get, and save your time when you are writing your PhD dissertation. There's a list of tables, list of figures. Introduction to the study, chapter 1. Background of the study. Problem statement. Here you can see how the PhD researcher can, write each and everything with a proper formal writing, inside references, and outside, bibliography references in APA format. So the more you read, the more you can get idea how to write problem statement easily and meet your deadline of PhD, thesis dissertation submission. That's the purpose of this thesis. This is questions, question or secondary question. You must aware about it, because in thesis defense you must you will be defend your thesis by yourself. No one can support you, so you must aware each and everything on fingertips. So that's a conceptual framework. Every university have different formats. Some will write in chapter 1 and some will write in chapter 2. There's the nature of the study. Definition of key concepts. I will recommend your key concept must be on fingertips. You must make a glossary and must be in appendix. So all your concept must be clear on your fingertips. So in this way you will define your PhD dissertation very easily. Assumptions, scope and limitations. Scope means importance of the study, and delimitation means limitation of the study, in simple words. Significance means importance of the study. Summary of the chapter. Chapter 2, literature review. Conceptual framework. Definition of HIV/AIDS. Treatment and access. Difficult to treat population because members are difficult to identify. The more you read, the more you will precisely and formally write your PhD dissertation. Differences in HIV/AIDS experiences in the United States versus the rest of the world. A cross comparison, The main thing in PhD dissertation is the titles. You must aware about it and to save your time. The more you read, the more you're aware about titles, paragraph setting, inside references, and bibliography references in APA format. The experiences of HIV/AIDS in Africa, the differences in experiences of HIV in African countries, the experiences of HIV/AIDS in different regions of Uganda, economy and opportunity in Africa. Uganda offers to fight HIV/AIDS. Culture awareness value in counseling. You can check how PhD researcher can, um, you know, shape oral thesis following the structure of the university, every paragraphs and sentences and proper citation. So there is no mistake, error-free thesis, So you can following your university format. So it will easily approve your thesis. Value of social justice. Summary and conclusion of the chapter 2. Chapter 3, research method. Research design and rationale of the study. Identifying the research tradition or research design and rationale. Role of the researcher. Personality. Methodology. Identification of the participant. The methodology of this research is based on interviews. So the researcher asked 8 questions. Potential risk, discomfort, and anticipated benefits. Data collection and analysis. Data management. Data analysis. Trustworthiness. There are some variables like credibility and many terms. So the researcher find from the past work, literature. So the whole focus is on trustworthiness, transferability, dependability, conformability, ethical procedures for all these variables. Summary of the chapter 3. So that's the chapter 4, results, introduction, settings, demographics. Here are the results of all the most 8 respondents. Some are married, divorced, unmarried. Data collection, data analysis, Evidence of trustworthiness, credibility, trustworthiness, dependability, confirmability, study results. Knowledge gap and awareness, sub-theme. Sub-theme, access to care. Sub-theme, rational dynamic changes. That's sub-theme 3, support from the families and friends post-HIV diagnosis. Summary of the chapter 4. That's a chapter 5, discussion, conclusion, recommendation. So you can check the flow of the research. This dissertation of PhD of the medical field. You can get idea. That's award-winning PhD dissertation of the Walden University regarding medical field. Limitation of the study. Recommendation for future research. Directions for future research. Application for social change. Conclusion of the chapter 5. Here comes references. All references are in EP format. That's appendix interview questions. You can check how the researcher, PhD researcher, can ask these questions, and from the interviewee. So you can also get idea if your research methodology is based on interviews. So this thesis will help you. So that's the end of PhD dissertation of the medical field regarding Walden University. So you can get idea. Thank you so much.